Hello dear kiddos, hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to see the mock question paper 2024. We are actually preparing for 2025 exam. We are doing the previous year mock question paper part 3. Let us begin without any further delay. Here goes the first question. The feature not related to hardwood is lignified cell wall, hard and durable, resistant to insects, conduction of water and mineral, which is not related to hardwood. Your time starts 3, 2, 1 right now. Come on, hurry up children. You can do it. Yes. Conduction of water and mineral is not a feature of hardwood, okay? Yes, if you see, it is non-conducting and the central region of secondary xylem, it is hard, durable and resistant to decay, but does not conduct water, unlike sapwood, okay? Select the mismatched pair with respect to classes of pteridophyte. Psilotum, Psilopsida, Selaginella, Phenospida, Lycopodium, Lycopsida, Adiantum, Pteropsida. So there is one thing which is wrongly paired, pick that. Your time starts 3, 2, 1 right now. Come on, fast. Yes. So the answer is Selaginella actually belongs to the class Lycopsida, not Sphenopsida. That's why it's the incorrectly matched pair. Next one. The phytohormone which was first isolated from human urine is gibberellic acid, cytokinin, auxin, ethylene. Your time starts 3, 2, 1 right now. Yes, the answer is auxin, right? That is responsible for apical dominance and cell elongation. That you know, of course, it's a plant hormone which was first isolated from human urine. On Earth, which of the following region have the greatest biodiversity? Western Ghats of India, polar region, tropical Amazonian rainforest, Indo-Burma Himalayas. Your time starts 3, 2, 1 right now. Yes. So the answer is tropical Amazonian rainforest. If you see, they are saying there are over 40,000 plant species and thousands of animals and birds. Tropical regions generally show greater species diversity than temperate zones. Right. Which of the following statement is correct about prions? Okay. Cause mad cow disease in cattle. Size is similar to viruses, made up of RNA only. Causes CR-Jacob disease in humans. All are correct. A, B and D only. C only. B, C and D only. Your time starts 3, 2, 1 right now. Yes. The answer is children A, B and D only is correct, right? It causes mad cow disease in cattle. Size is similar to viruses. Causes CR-Jacob disease in humans. But children in viroids is where you can see the RNA, not in prions, right? Viroids you can see the RNA. Which of the following is a filamentous algae? Ulothrix, Chlamydomonas, Volvox, Porphyra. Your time starts 3, 2, 1 right now. Filamentous algae. Yes. The answer is Ulothrix, right? Ulothrix and Spirogyra are filamentous. Whereas if you see these Chlamydomonas is unicellular and Volvox is colonial. In dicot leaves, God cells are dumbbell shaped, kidney shaped, rectangular, barrel shaped. In dicot leaves, your time starts 3, 2, 1 right now. Yes, they are kidney shaped, right? God cells surround the stomata. They are kidney shaped, but in monocots, if you see like in grasses and all, they are dumbbell shaped. Acetic acid is commercially obtained from Penicillium, Aspergillus niger, Lactobacillus acetobacter. Your time starts 3, 2, 1 right now. Okay, so the name itself has the clue, right? Acetobacter, right? A bacterium used in commercial vinegar production. Penicillium produces penicillin, a well-known antibiotic. Aspergillus niger produces citric acid, Lactobacillus for lactic acid production. In DNA fingerprinting, differences in some specific region in DNA sequence are identified using a specific type of probe, which are VNTRs, repetitive RNA, non-polymeric DNA, single nucleotides. Your time starts 3, 2, 1 right now. Yes, VNTRs, which is variable number of tandem repeats. They are the region in the DNA with the repeated sequences, right? Which vary from person to person, and they are used as probes in DNA fingerprinting due to its variability. In most ecosystems, the pyramids of number, energy, and biomass are upright, except which one? Pyramid of number in grassland, pyramid of biomass in grassland, pyramid of number in sea, pyramid of biomass in sea. Your time starts 3, 2, 1 right now. So in most of the ecosystems, if you see, the number, energy, biomass pyramids are upright, except for which ecosystem? The pyramid of biomass in sea, if you see, the biomass pyramid is often inverted because the producer have less biomass than the consumer, right? Phytoplanktons have less biomass than the zooplanktons, right? Next one. We've completed 10 questions. That was super fast, right? Okay, then these are the 10 questions for this session. Stay tuned for the next part. And children, all the very best for your exams. Do well. Tata, take care, bye-bye. And do like, share and subscribe.